Hey guys, welcome back once again. This video is going to be part 3 of To-Do application development. In last video, we created add to-do component which is responsible for adding a new to-do to to-dos. In this video, I will show you how to remove a to-do from to-dos. So, let's get started. Here, as you can see, we have already designed our removal icon of the to-dos for each to-dos. So let's handle click event of this icon. So now let's come to the VS Code and to-do list, and here you can see your icon. Now let's handle here on click event. So on click, and here I can take a arrow function and I can do here console.log and log something. So clicked, save it and come to the UI, inspect mode and select here console. So as you can see here, after clicking on this, I got this one clicked, and once I click on this one, I got two clicked. Okay, now we are handling the click event. So in order to remove a to-do from the list, I need to have a ID. Okay, so you can see here I have this to-do. So to-do.id will give me ID of the particular to-do. So instead of printing clicked, I can write to-do.id, save it. Okay, and have a look on UI. So once I click here, I got this ID as a 2. And for this one I got 1, and let me add a new to do here. So new to do and hit enter and click on this one. So you can see here I got ID of this new to do. Okay, now we need to have a function which is going to remove the to do, and then that function will be in to do container, right? So from here we can pass another one props called remove to do. Okay, and we need to pass a function, so call it as handle remove to do. Okay, so this function doesn't exist right now, so let's create this function. Okay, and this is going to take a parameter that is going to be your ID, and here now let's do console log to ID. Okay, so now I am passing this function as a props here, remove to do. So here I will get this function as a remove to do. Okay, now on click of this, I wanted to call this function, so I can write here in curly bracket this function. Okay, and I am passing this to do.id, means ID of the to do. So let's save it and come to the UI and click on this. So you can see here I got 2, and this 2 is getting printed from container, right? This line is printing. Now I have ID of the to-dos which just before clicked for removal. So now I will get first this to-do. So I can write to-dos dot, and here I can go with filter. Okay, so filter is a method which will return true or false. If it's true, it will return the particular object. If it's false, it will not return. So this filter is going to give me a single to do, so I will call it as to do, and here I can match with the ID. So to do dot ID equal to this ID. That means this condition is going to be true only once. So let me store here into new to do list. Okay, so new to do list and print this one. Instead of printing this one ID, so I will print this value. Okay, let's save it and have a look here. So on click of this, you can see here I have this array. So I am getting this 1, means the ID was 1, so I got that one only. But I want to remove this one and I want to get others. So I can write here not. Okay, now save it and have a look here. So on click of the second, I might have got here first. Okay, let me another one new to do here. So new to do. Now I have 3 here. Once I click on this one, I will get others 2. So 1 and 2, as you can see here ID. So now I am able to remove the particular to do which is clicked just before. So instead of printing, I can set to the to do. So set to do's and let's have a look right now. So now let's add some new to do's. So call it a new to do. Okay, and click on this. So you can see this has been removed. Click on this one, this has been removed as well, and click on this one, so it has been removed. Okay, I don't have any to do right now. Okay, so let's add a new one. So new to do. You can see I got a new one here. Okay, now we are removing to do successfully. Okay, now let me show you something. So on click of this, you can see I don't have any to do. So I need to get a message, you don't have to do left or something like that. So for that, what I need to do here, I need to write to do, okay, dot length is greater than 0, then only render this component. Okay, otherwise, so let's come here and write here something. So no to do left. Okay, and now save it and have a look on UI. So here I have 2 to do. Let's delete both, and you can see here I am getting no to do left. That means once the length of the to do is 0, else condition will satisfy and this one will print. So instead of printing a string, I can write here paragraph. Okay, and paste it inside, and I will make a line into center. Save it and have a look right now. So let me click this one and click. So no to do left. Okay, in this video we have removed a to do from to do list successfully. So that's it guys. In next video we will handle the checkbox event. So as you can see here, on click of this, it's not getting removed, and here it's not getting checked. So in next video we will handle the checked event of this to do. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.